Welcome back, my peeps. I got another quick short tutorial for you guys. We're gonna make this milk. It's very easy. All you need is this container from Dollar Tree. You find it in the craft section. It's very small. I don't know what size this is. Let me see if I can measure it here. But it's perfect for like tier trays. And let me see. Is about like 5 inches tall. It's not really tall. It's perfect for a tier tray. And then you're gonna need to get some straws. They have them at Dollar Tree. They have a variety of straws at Dollar Tree. You can find these buffalo plat ones. They had this, but I just wanted it because of this red and white. And then they also had these. So I'm just going to use a plain red straw that I got from Hobby Lobby, 99 cents. They do have these at Dollar Tree too. I can't find the ones I got from Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to use one of these real quick. You're going to need this bottle. You're going to need a straw. And you're going to need some of this. Is it twine? I guess. This red one right here. That's how I did this at the top. I put just red string on it. That's it. And I use one of my tiny little reindeer sprinkles. Isn't that cute? That's from Playco 3. I'll leave a link down below. But anyways, this is so easy. You take the lid off. You can take this label off if you want. That's totally up to you. So what you're going to do is this is apple barrel white. That's all you're going to need. You're going to put a bunch of this glue in here. Right? This is the easiest and the simplest and the cheapest way to do it. If you don't want to use resin, some people use wax. I'm not fond of wax because it melts. There's a possibility it could melt. And not only that, it gets sticky, dust gets on it and stuff like that. And there's no real way to clean it or wipe it off. And I mean, the only other thing was resin. And you guys, I'm not going to be using resin. I mean, I'll make 1 or 2 resin tutorials later on, but I'm really trying to do like the cheapest version of something for you guys. So everybody can fake bake, okay? And it won't be that hard. So you're going to just take your your paint, your bottle, and you're just going to spin it. Spin it, spin it. As you go up, you're going to spin it, and you're going to keep spinning it. And take it up and spin. And that's how you're going to fill up your whole bottle. By just spinning the, I was actually calling it milk. Spinning the paint. You might need more paint. But, you know. And if it starts coming up more than the other part, just take it down. Right? Bring it back up. Try to get it all like as uniform as possible. I mean, you could always manipulate this to go wherever you want it to go. You just spin it until it covers up your bottle, right? And then you could come down, spin it, bring the paint around, keep going around until it covers all the space. You don't want to cover this part up here with the white because we want it to look realistic. If you cover that part at the top, it's really not going to look like, you know, they're going to know it's not milk. I mean, we know it's not milk. And it's not going to be milk, but that's an illusion we're trying to create. You know what I mean? So, just keep on going round and round until it fills up the whole bottle. And like I said, you might need to add a little bit more paint, which I'm going to do. And then I'm going to bring it up and keep on going. Here comes the paint. Just keep on going. Turn it, turn it, turn it until it fills up your container and it looks. If you have a Cricut, you can put a label on here. You know, if it start going up too high, just go down. Then come back up with your milk, with your paint. Sorry, I keep saying milk. And keep spinning. Keep it spinning. You're almost at the top. We're almost at the top. See? You don't want it to go into that ring though. Make sure it doesn't go into the ring. So now let's go back this way. You can put it down if you want to let the paint gather at the bottom. And then bring it up. But you don't want it to go past the ring. Okay? So let's go. Let's bring that paint back up. We just got a little bit more to go and then we done. Just make sure it doesn't come up to the ring. And you'll be good. Perfect. See? And we done. And if it does come up to the ring, wipe it off. Okay? Look. We done. The bottle is covered. If some of the paint comes to the ring, wipe it up. Oop, I got a little corner right here that needs to be done. Let's see. Just bring it up. Oh, not yet. Here it comes. You don't have to, if you don't want to, you don't have to, like if you want to save the paint, that's up to you. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it in there. I'm just going to take a white or a tissue or whatever and go around the rim. Make sure I didn't get anything in there. Make sure you didn't get anything on the outside. So this is what I did. I left the straw in there and let it stick to the paint. I didn't put no glue or anything on it. I didn't do any of that. I just let it sit there and it's going to dry with the paint. So you're going to take some of this twine, this red and white twine, and you're going to, Lord, I can't take the tape off. Just grab you some. You don't even have to measure. Just make sure it's pretty long. Okay? Because you're just going to go around this thing a couple of times. So what you're going to do is you're going to go around this. Leave a bit of a piece down so you could tie a ribbon, right? Just hold it like that. And then you're going to just go. Keep going around and around and around. And around and around. Just give it a cute little something. Just keep going around. Oh, I went around too much. You want to make it so you have your strings meet, right? Then you're just gonna tie it. Boom. Then you're gonna give it another knot so you don't want it to move. Right? Right? Then you're just gonna tie it. Make a loop. Tie it. You don't want them to be, you don't want the loops to be too big. I mean, if you want to use ribbon, whatever you want to use, that's up to you. Okay? And then you could take something, put it in the middle. Let's put let's put a peppermint in the middle. A little peppermint right here. Put in the middle. So you just get you some glue. Put it in the middle and get your little peppermint and squish it on there. See? Right? Then you stick your straw in there. And that's it. And you let it dry. When the paint dries, the straw is going to dry right into it. It's not going to move. It's going to be good to go. And this is your Milk for Santa. You could, like I said, if you had a Cricut, you could put Milk for Santa. Also, Dollar Tree has letter stickers in the scrapbooking aisle. If you wanted to put milk for Santa or just milk or whatever, or if you just want to get, you know, those window clings they have cute little peppermints on there. You could just put one on there. You don't have to glue it. You don't have to do anything to it because the window cling will stick to this. I mean, you can do whatever you want. If you have these Hobby Lobby peppermints and you want to put one on there, you can. But you can just leave it just the way it is. I think it looks cute. So here you go. Milk for Santa. Okay? So guys, I'm going to let you go. Like I said, this was quick, fast, easy, affordable. You can find everything at Dollar Tree except for the little sprinkles, but I'll leave the link down below so you can get some if you want. But that's it. Okay? Guys, until the next video, stay safe, stay healthy, stay crafty. Don't forget to like my video, to subscribe if you haven't, and you can share it if you want. Bye, guys. God bless you.